Okay, so we have 4 brass lamps in the salon, and a group of women that I belong to, Women Who Sail, recommended Barkeeper's Friend. So this is me working on 3 of the 4 lamps. So I've had it on for 2 minutes. Oh my goodness. Wow. Are you kidding? Wow. No way. Wow. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That's amazing.
What you wowing about?
Oh my gosh, Jim.
What happened now?
Oh, it's unbelievable.
Which part?
You are not going to believe this.
I'm gonna believe it.
No,
If you say it to me,
honey, this is unbelievable.
which part?
Come here and look at this one spot I did. Wow. Incredible.
Let me see.
Okay,
Well,
just a second.
miracle, honey. Bartender's friend. And why bartenders? Oh yeah, there's that. Why bartenders?
I don't know.
Barkeepers.
Bartenders.
Barkeeper.
Oh, barkeeper. Yeah, BKF.
Barkeeper's friend.
Barkeeper's friend. I've been saying it wrong all this time. Now, I can only leave this on for 1 minute, but I can't set a timer.
You need more rags. Why did you only get one rag? I'm gonna go get you some more
concerned
rags.
about that
You-
it turned it like blue.
And you're getting it all over the table.
I know.
I'm gonna get you more rags.
I heard parchment is good to put down. I just remembered that after I made a mess.
Yeah, we have some right here.
Okay.
Smile and say something funny.
Something funny.
Okay.
Okay. So I know Ace got a couple of pictures of me doing the actual work, but I just want to do the final touches. These were actually completely black. These were actually completely black, and so finishing touches. Put the washers back on. It chewed off all of my nail filler, even. That was before I put gloves on. Oops. Okay, there it is. Finished product, ready to go back on the wall. And the next lamp to do. Here are the final touches. Got these little washers back on. There's 2 of them. You'll see a bottle of turtle wax in the background. I did put a light glaze of turtle wax after I got done scrubbing them with Barkeeper's Friend, hoping that that might be a little barrier against further corrosion. We'll see. Oopsie. Okay, this is the worst one so far, I think. I couldn't get all of it on the middle part, but or the inside of these arms, but otherwise we got it done as good as I'm going to get it now. Lots of steel wool on this one. Okay, thanks, honey.
This was really bad and it's beautiful.
Thank you, honey.
Beautiful. Okay, had a little issue with getting under this settee where we store food and picking it up and organizing without this thing slamming shut. So I put a little spring hinge thing there. So we'll open and close, stay open for organization. All right.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Hi.
What are you doing in the Hobbit Hall?
Standing up straight?
Wow, with room to spare.
Oh, I know.
Nice.
Okay, so I'm trying to check my camera. There we go. I guess I wasn't running my camera before, which is going to look funny. Okay, so I've got, just put on my lip color, and then banana boat. I know it's not lip friendly, or reef friendly, but I'm not getting in the ocean today. So, color first, because I'm not a barbarian. Then a little bit of, a lot, 50 plus sunscreen. Got my croaky on, so in case my glasses go in the drink. Now see, this is hard. This is hard to get these on. I wonder if that has to go on back there first. Because I really don't want my glasses to go in the drink. Not be like a big deal, but I don't have very much stuff, so I gotta take care of it. So this last little bit of footage is just a different view of what you've already seen, but I'm going to set up this last clip. I watch a lot of sailing videos, my husband and I both do, and I see them in dinghies, and I never see them getting out of the boat into the dinghy or out of the dinghy onto a dock. And so I don't know how people do it. And it's really frustrating because I never get to see that on videos. And I thought, the good, the bad, and the ugly, I'm just going to put the whole thing out here on a video so that you can see my first attempt at getting into our dinghy. I have been in dinghies before. I'm short, I'm fluffy, and it's kind of a chore to get in, but it's what I want to do. I want to do it well and be there for Ace when he needs me, to be able to get in that dinghy, do what I need to do. And so this is my very first attempt getting into the dinghy. Okay, Blue, we're going to be right back. Okay? Going to be right back. Be a good girl. You settle. Okay? You settle. Zip up my pocket so my phone doesn't fall out. Ooh, Mama's got to move her lunch dish. Yes, she does. She's got to move her lunch dish. Or that little one will get it. Yes, I know we're still using plastic bags. All right. Up we go. That's a companionway door. Companionway color. Okay. Hello. Do I look dinghy appropriate? Okay. It's just a little easier to get up on. Whoops. cushion up. Okay. Ouch. Shouldn't lean back on it. Oh, look at all the new holes in my boat. I don't know if you can see that. Got new holes in my boat. What, honey?
Water tank vent,
Okay.
holding tank vent,
Okay.
water inlet.
Those are all new holes?
Yep.
Jeez,
Well,
oh,
no. These two are new holes. This
Okay.
hole was already there.
Yay. I was going to say, don't we have to unplug? That's funny. You can't see up. Got a hand? Thank you, honey. Okay.
And I don't know how you want to approach this.
Right. Backwards.
The front and the back are tied on. You want to go to the front seat.
Okay.
So the dinghy shouldn't be able to go anywhere.
Boy, she looks big. Bad company.
It seems a little deflated, but it gets real flated when it's warm out. So it's just a cool weather that's making it appear a little deflated.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay. Where's my handholds here?
Yeah, that's the ladder portion of it, but I can always give you a hand.
Nope. Good. Trying to see if the step would be best. Probably. The step.
What do you mean by the step?
The seat. Ooh, it feels very do we need to blow it up a little bit?
Nope.
Okay.
If you can go all the way down to the floor, it'll be more stable for you.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you can step that far down.
Right.
I just stepped on the seat myself. Yeah.
You
Punches
stepped
in
on
a
the
little.
seat?
Yeah.
The metal seat.
Yep.
Do you ever step on this?
Sometimes.
Okay. I wish I kind of had a little rope to hang on to, like that black strap, but
We can make that happen if you want.
maybe you should go first and then you can give me a hand down.
Okay.
Does that sound okay?
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to try to get back up here.
Your call.
Okay.
How you want to do it.
Yeah. Wow, that is significant.
That is.
That's awesome. Oopsie. What I just knocked down there. Can I hang on to that?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Trying to get that out of the way.
Can you get down around me?
Yep.
Okay. I'll watch you. I'm a visual learner. No, oh yeah, there is another step.
Oh, yeah,
Huh. Okay. That's like a dive ladder. It goes into the water. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, getting that leg up. That could be a chore. My legs aren't very long.
And you can step back here.
Yeah, and get myself up front. Yeah. I'm just saying getting it down that far.
But then you want to get up there.
Right. But you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, because getting the second leg in, that's a really long, that's a long way down.
Yep.
Fish. Oh God, do you hear my knee? Whew.
See what you're comfortable with.
Oh honey, if I did that,
You wouldn't do that.
I wouldn't have got married. Am I close?
I got you. You're on the bottom.
Oh, I'm on the bottom. Does it feel like it, sweetie?
I know, but
Okay,
you're there.
okay. Just a second. Just a second. Okay, I'm going to fall back just a little bit.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. My shoe came off. There we go. I got my shoe on. Okay, I'm going to sit down here and then flip around. Right? Is that okay?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, we got handholds here. That's nice. Okay. Oh, oops.
Good.
Oh my God, this is fun.
You're in.
I'm in, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
Start the motor, and now I'm going to actually.
Okay.
I have to go up here, and
Okay.
I have to undo this front line
Okay.
and grab the motor key.
Tell me if you need me to do anything.
Okay. You're good.
I feel like it. See, those trees are starting to change over there. It's beautiful.
Your dog's squeaking like a little parrot.
Does she need to be
You can
in?
move a little bit.
Okay. Am I in your way to get on?
Nope.
I can hold on here.
I'm going to throw this line in there.
Okay. Pretty line. Is that new line?
No.
Oh, it looks new.
But I gave it to us with the dinghy.
No kidding. I love that.
Give that a go.
I can let go. Okay. That looks new, doesn't it? What you looking for? She's
Looking for anything.
a little wrinkly.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay. Oh, shoot. What was that? I think my butt was up on the step. I'm hanging on. Let's go for it. Is this a no-wake lake? Oh, wait. I'm not in a lake anymore.